So we are live. So on
Okay, cool.
the YouTube and the Facebooky for this morning, and we are going over the QQQ chart. How we had the retracement from the put at 317.50 that we put in, and then we woke up this morning, got this big drop here, and then we sold out of that put. Now we're live with you, trying to find some new plays. What do we got, folks?
I'm watching MU, TSLA, BA, and The Spy.
Yeah, Love looks good too. LUV.
Don't spy on me. LUV. LUV, LUV, LUV. What's love got to do with it?
Oh yeah, MU looks good.
Everything's given about a 50% retracement from the low. It's kind of crazy. If you look at every chart and you're looking at the fib from the previous move, so 61.48 on Love down to 58.16 ish. So what's 50%? What's a move between 58 and 61? 59.60, somewhere in there. It's at 59.40.
I took a small position on a MU call.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, MU I like a lot.
MU. You guys ever seen Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs?
Yes.
Emu. Sorry, we were watching mass cartoons over the last couple weeks, like with my kids. I've been watching like all the old. I linked my Disney to my TV finally instead of just putting it on their tablets, and then I started watching like all the old Disney movies with my kids, like Pixar and shit. I'm up 1.6% on my AMC shares I bought yesterday at the 1023 mark. I'll take it.
Nice.
Yeah, I listened to the conference call or whatever when they went over their earnings and did all that the other day. And I really liked the way that the CEO responded to everything. He's like, dude, people are gonna want to go to the movies. He's like, when they get out, I think you're gonna be surprised that people want to go. My immediate thought was like, me on the other hand, I'm gonna be one that's like, I might go to the movies like this winter,
Right.
because like I'm ready to go four-wheeling, jet skiing, jump off cliffs, go to the ocean. I'm not ready to go fucking sit in a movie theater. I've been sitting in my house, my homemade movie theater for a year.
Right.
So I don't think there's going to be an immediate like rush to the theaters, but I also don't think that it's just going to be like zero going either. Because parents like taking their kids there. That's a good place to like be able to relax and like chill when you just want your kids to like pay attention.
Not have to focus on them. Yeah.
What's GME doing today? I know that's your favorite.
It's up. It's up. Just being a little scumbag being up.
Your boo GME is doing good today.
Let's just say meme stocks are doing great.
What about CTRM?
I think it's down.
I took an 18% profit on MU.
Nice.
MU. I'm gonna have to sit every time I hear that stock. That's gonna be in my head. So it looks like CTRM is a good buy around 94 cents if you want to get like a 4-cent pop in this little shaky ass consolidation period it's in.
There we go.
Fa ra 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 ra.
Huh.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up.
A, B, and B doing. That's always made me good money.
What is it?
A, B, and B. I just got a call for A, B, and B.
Spy's going up, so it should help if they're moving with Spy. Spy looks like it's about to hit a retracement point, though. Roblox looks like it's about to drop down to like $63.
Buy.
Yeah, today's gonna be another day where I'm just gonna be watching and chilling and kicking it and watching and seeing what's going on. And
Still GM for 10% profit.
let's go.
Yep. Not as good as I would have wanted, but you know what? Profit. So. Stupid GM. How dare you?
If it makes sense,
Alright,
it makes
that's fine.
dollars, you know.
Correct. I agree.
I'll have to have A, B, and B with 5%. Said you're looking at LUV.
I was looking at LUV. Yeah, they were looking pretty good for a bit, but they kind of had a correction.
They said
Little
no,
low.
we're not looking good anymore.
No.
Tesla's running pretty good.
Uh,
That's what's up.
Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's probably holding Spy up right now since everything else is kind of down. Tesla's down $16. Oh, you're saying
$60?
you're saying it was way down this morning. What the frick?
Tesla was?
It looks like it's down $17 right now. Yeah, it was down to in the 650s, 660s. I can't even get my there it is 661 because I couldn't get the chart to pull it up. It was so far down there. What in the hell, dude? How does it go from 661 to 683 in 15-20 minutes? That is crazy. It's gonna just go to 700. Let's go. I'll tell you one thing. I ain't trying to fuck with it.
A little risky. I just bought one contract, but I bought a SPY call.
Are you aiming for that 393.18 or 393.61? What are you going for?
I'm just going for the 390. I'm trying to get to 392.90.
Just get your little 5%er.
Yep. But I don't know
Guess
if
there
it's
is,
at that
yeah.
point. That's why I only
Sure,
bought
sure,
one
sure.
contract. Testing the waters.
What is?
I like water.
Water.
Damn, yeah. Go EV tearing it up today. Up 9%.
Go EV. Yeah, that's my EV. Canoe Inc.
Just looks like EV's having a good recovery from the pullback this morning. It's all going back up. Yeah.
Yeah, if you like go to the monthly like Neo, it's down $17 on the month. It's up $8 or $7.60 in the last week, and it's down $1.35 today. It's like this is like such a weird market. You're like, which way am I going?
For
Are we picking up the retracement for the last 3 months, or are we picking up the we're still up 11% on Neo if you bought it 3 months ago? So it's like, where's the real value yet? It's like I don't know. I think you buy Neo on down days, but
Yeah, it's definitely a buy, but not really feeling it right now.
Yeah, what's up, Mickey?
Hey, what's up, dude?
Torchlight's up another 14% today. Went up 30% yesterday.
TRCH. I was shouting them out a while back, and then I quit playing them.
Yeah, they were kind of like just they had a lot of hype for a little bit, but then they like plummeted 40%. But they went up like 200% in like a couple days.
The ones that don't have options kind of freak me out sometimes because it's like
Hmm.
it's just a little harder to figure out where the levels are.
Yeah,
It's
for
like,
sure.
okay, what's wrong with you? Like, well, why don't you have options? Can you help me?
I honestly have never really researched that, like why a stock wouldn't have options.
Doesn't have to be over a certain price for a set amount of time before they have options.
That could be the rule. I don't know because S and DLs, there's stocks that are at $1 that have maybe if it was at one
Oh,
point. You mean maybe?
yeah, maybe.
Man, GoEV is rocketing.
Dude, isn't it crazy?
Yeah, dude. I wish I would have got in the other day
Yeah,
when
me-
we were talking about it.
I wish I got in this morning when it was at negative. No, it wasn't negative. I think it was up 1% at market open. Yeah.
I bought a little bit of VIOT shares.
I was making a new high a day. That's good. Oh, actually said I don't want to now.
Yeah, it changed its
John's
opinion.
pumped. Oh wow! What the hell?
It was like
That's-
rejected.
It's like yes, we did make a new high a day. Fuck off.
This is not for long, my friend.
That's funny. Still gonna hold it. It's one contract. Guy's been acting funny.
You trading today, Mickey, or what?
Not really. I'm sitting on my hands right now.
Same.
I don't
I'm
feel like
barely.
trading.
I'm just taking little tiny positions on shit that's beaten up today. Really.
Hmm.
Yeah, I got other things I need to work on.
Blake, what time do you have to jump off this morning?
Who?
Blake.
Like 10 or 11.
Oh, okay, that's legit. So then I'll just jump out of the trading in about an hour. And we can do some business stuff.
Too easy.
As the kids would say.
Mm-hmm.
Business.
All right, it's gonna be. You know that there's not much going on when we all stop talking for a couple seconds. So,
For real, just watching.
GME to 350 today. Let's go.
Oh god, what a nightmare.
So here's
No
a
thanks.
fun thing to do. Days like this is something I do. So go to your search bar where you searched your stocks, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom to where stocks you haven't looked at in forever. And those are the ones that almost every time when I look at them, they're green today. Like stuff that's just
Right.
it's a cycle. So here's what's at the bottom of my list: UPS. That's the very last stock that I've looked up, the least recent. Let's pull them up, see how they're doing.
Oh, your E-bond is up 9% today.
Nice. UPS is up 49 cents. Hog is another one. HOG, Harley Davidson.
Hmm.
They could be getting a nice pump for the spring because people like to buy stuff during the spring.
Cycles, yep.
They're up, aren't they? Yep, they're up 50 cents. Now let's look at here. This is the bottom 5. CLSK.
Hmm.
Risky. I just bought a spy put.
And then SNE. Spy put herd.
Yeah. Funko's at 9% today. Crazy day.
UPS is rocking. AAON is another one. Oh wow, look at UCO, guys.
UCO. Oh, Pro Shares.
It's the crude oil. That thing looks like it just is about to explode,
Go.
don't it?
Yeah.
It's
He
probably
looks like he definitely wants to.
we're about to have that big oil consumption go. Like everyone's going to be out driving again, and
Right.
I got burnout on my Tesla put.
hey, Mickey, you there? Can you leave?
What up, dog?
Hey, I was gonna say if you don't mind, look at UCO if you have a chance, and just see what you see there. It's due for a retracement, but for the long on the weekly or the monthly, it looks like it's definitely about to take back some of that shorting that was happening. It just gave back that previous red candle that came all the way down. It's like I don't know if they're going to keep continuing for that last big red bar if you saw that. But I mean, they shorted that thing for like a whole year. Is it going to be the year of the oil for 2023 or 2022? I mean,
Oh, okay. Never know.
EV's going to just keep blasting off and then die. It does. It's way overextended to the upside on the monthly right now, but I don't know. There's a lot of green volume coming in, and it's starting to lower as it gets higher though. So they're going to need this thing to go to about 30 something again. But it's under the 10-day moving average. It's under the 20-day
There we
and
go.
above the 50-day moving average.
Well, maybe. Yeah, love's still climbing. Still climbing.
You guys don't forget we spring forward tomorrow.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Trash. Oh, GVO recovery. Feel it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm up 300 for the day right now from just my overnight plays. I haven't made a single trade. I've just bought a couple shares, like just small shares, but
Yeah.
what's Apple doing today?
This UCO looks like it needs to be shorted.
Right? But for the it looks like a weekly short, but a monthly long after that short's over with.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's what
It's
I'm
got to
looking for.
drop down to. It has to drop down to the 55-50 area.
Yeah, that's funny because I put a buy in at 56.20.
56.20. Yeah, that's good. I'd probably do the same area as well, man. Yeah, I'll short the fuck out of that.
So I
mean,
set an
you can
alert. So I just set 3 alerts to tell me to as it's dropping. So I'll just be looking for the long on this one though, because I think that this is on a real red day on this. There's going to be some long opportunities on oil.
Yeah.
I just got to research USO, make sure I didn't even notice if it's a short or if it's a long. Honestly, when I was looking at it, I saw the chart. So it's a ProShares Ultra crude oil. So
I feel like it's almost time to short the fucking Dow. This shit was gonna like pop up, make a new high. I would have done it in the first hour. He's gonna do it in the first hour of the market opening. If not, it's a failed swing and it needs to go on and drop. So I can short the fuck out of it. God damn.
Okay.
Hey Blake, boy.
What's up, baby?
Hey, I'm gonna stop making new videos today.
Oh, let's
It's
go.
funny because
Yeah.
I came to work. I came to work because nobody was here. And I can get some fucking peace and quiet in my life. There we go. What did I just say about? Fuck.
what was it?
The Dow. My screen just updated, but it's time to short it. Look at it drop. Yeah. But we'll see. Come to me.
Yeah, the reopening trade is definitely turned on today.
The what?
The reopening.
Oh.
Yeah, I call it the reopening trade. So anything that's going to benefit from us being out and about and outdoors, like the motorcycles, hog, sea-doo companies, boating companies, rental places, Airbnb, TripAdvisor, American Airlines, CCL.
Yeah. Bunch of good stuff. Let's see. 39.66.
That put did well for you, didn't it, Johnny?
Oh, I got out of it. I told you that.
You made money on it, right?
No, I cut it 12% loss.
On the put?
Yeah.
Oh. What's that? 3 red candles. That's why I was like, huh? Instead of the 3 white soldiers, they gave you the 3 red soldiers. CLSK is about to trying to break out of its go to even or green today.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've had a pretty good week, I think. Haven't they? Or is that the other one?
I don't know. I don't see anything that looks like it's a good entry.
I got in on MGM a little while back, but they slowed down quite a bit. Oh yeah, Clean Spark's up 30% this week. Zang. Oh, it broke into even. Or profit rather for today.
MGM is partnering. BetMGM is partnering with Buffalo Wild Wings. You're going to be able to bet in Buffalo Wings and Rings while you're eating wings. You're going to be able to bet like online gambling. That's going to be fucking awesome.
That's crazy.
That is super
Pure
cool.
insanity.
Eating wings and betting the football game, because that's where people go to watch football games anyway and shit. So like that's a great idea. Bring the gambling
sure.
aspect to it like that. And it says should this help with the market share? So you might have got a good call here. I'm really salty that I didn't go harder yesterday and hold those ones, because we would have been
Right.
killing it.
Mm-hmm.
But we got the profits. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
we got the profits. This is a like quadruple high around that point for MGM, other than that little peak that they had at that 40.49.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, this could be time to make all new high territory.
For sure. Let's get to 42 today. That's the goal for me. Doubt it, but
Yeah, I'm
See it.
gonna buy a call for next week
Mhm.
when it drops down a little bit. If it does.
it's towing the line of deciding right now. It's like, should I?
Should I stay or should I go? So you can use this as like, so that's why I use the charts for options. So like right now it's trading at right around 145-ish, 140, right? So if it
Mhm.
does turn around, then I would rather buy it at 100. So I just set to buy it at 100. That would be it taking out the previous low of the day.
Okay.
And then it would have to like really rip underneath that, but I'd have a tight stop loss.
For sure.
And the tight stop loss would be around 75. So I'd buy it at $1, risk 25 cents for another 25 cents to the upside for that to come back and take half of the previous move to 140, 145. So if it came down, touches 95-ish, 100 on the contract price, then it's possibly going to come back and give you 25% to 50% back to what it was earlier today, if this is the high of the day. But if it's not the high of the day and they continue to go up, then this mark right now, the 145, might be what you'd buy it at the end of the day, possibly.
Okay.
That's kind of what I'm looking at here. It should come down, in my opinion, but I think it's going to depend on the market too. Like if the market decides to drop here, then it's going to make it harder to be for the long positions.
Yeah. Dang, wish I would have held my GM a little bit longer. Oh, made profit.
What's crazy is that the puts and the calls on MGM are both trading right around their 50-day moving average.
Right.
20-day moving average, sorry. The puts at the low end on the 5-day at 150. It was at 166 yesterday, 172. 2 red days for the put side. It's a hard one.
That's pretty easy.
Spy's taking a dump.
Is it?
Yeah, I've got puts
Yep.
on them.
You working out today, Johnny?
What's that?
You working out today?
I already worked out.
Yeah. Good job. I like reading the comments on like Webull, like on a stock. You ever read through those?
Yeah, they're terrible.
That's me out.
It's literally like I feel like it's like subreddit. It's like the
It's just all spam.
yeah. They're like this one's going to the moon, and they're like, man, like will this stock ever move? And I'm like, I just go in there and just start laughing. Like if your stock's not moving when the market's up 150 points over the last fucking week, then you're in the wrong stock. That's why we got out of SVAC.
Right. It's either that or they just bought in late and they're like, whoa.
Right.
Yeah, that's how it's like all the time. Like this, like people were in GM the other day, like, man, this stock sucks. I said it's literally had 2 red days in like the last 2 months. It does not suck. It is
Right.
amazing. I was like, y'all are
Alright,
fucking
dude,
tripping.
call first. Good trading, guys. Good trading. I gotta go build some classes.
Hey Mickey,
Yeah, buddy.
make sure you use your happy voice because you sound like a sad puppy dog on here.
Nope. I'm just tired as fuck.
I was gonna say you sound like super like I feel like I'm feel peppy and loud, and you're like, all right guys, my dog just died. I'm gonna talk to you guys later.
Your dog didn't die.
Nah, man. I was playing London. I'm tired.
All right. Well, if you need anything, let me know. I'm gonna be doing my recordings for the next couple hours too after this little half hour's over with, and so good luck, Bubby.
I'm heading out too.
Alright.
See you guys.
Boo! Boo!
Doodles.
Boo this man! Boo this man!
Boo.
Boo? Boo?
Boo.
Abu?
Abu.
Abu?
Abu. Yeah.
Blake, did you get some recovery sleep yesterday?
Is Blake here?
Hella.
Hella?
Yeah.
You feel better?
Yeah. Yeah.
I did that like a
It
few
was-
days ago, like on Monday through like I think it was like Sunday through Tuesday. I was pretty much just like in a sleep coma, like non able to work anymore.
It's crazy what like 8 hours of sleep will do after like just like 4 hours of sleep consecutively.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that was just one of those days where I woke up, I was like, yep, not doing this today.
Like, hey boss, I'm calling in sick, and you just look in the mirror.
Damn, E-Bond up's 18% now.
Oh my god, shut up.
I'm dead serious. Crazy.
I always sell too early. If I sell, you know the next 3 days it's gonna go up.
It's gonna be just fantastic. Still climbing. Let's see, any news? Beta testing of its crypto exchange by invite only on March 15th. Interesting.
Oh, very interesting.
Damn, if I would have held my gym, I'd be up over 100%. Scumbag.
Bastardo.
Hey, no worries. I made 15% on both of them. Well, total between
Like,
the two
everything
trades.
I pull up goes, man, I should have already been in that.
Right.
Apple below 120 again. It's at 119. Your boy's been calling them to drop all freaking month.
Mm-hmm.
And if you look at the weekly, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks of red on Apple.
Oh,
Excuse me.
E-Bond, though, killing it.
In all the wrong places. All right, MGM's gonna drop down to 39.02. It's got to give you like a little bit of a 50-cent retracement on this last move, and then possibly
Pop off?
It could start going lower, honestly, because it did just didn't make a higher high that time. It made a lower high,
Yeah.
but it's making lower. It's kind of just looking like it's going to consolidate. SPY just literally gave up its whole last 5 minutes of gains in the last 2 minutes. The market is not looking healthy today.
Nope.
Someone just bought something. GME's freaking rocking and rolling.
I bet it is. Fucking GI scumbags.
They're like, hey, everything else sucks
We're doing
today.
things over
Let's
here."
go to GME.
We can make it good.
Right?
Ballard. Yeah, this is a super sad market.
I'm happy. Feeling sad, I got sunshine. I figured you'd like that song.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, someone let me out of my cage. That's like when I used to go to high school every morning, that song would be on in the morning before school started. And like when they used to play, they used to play like 2 songs in the morning before like the programs would play. It was like downtime, I guess. And that was that song. And then the song Fat Lip from, God, I can't even remember the name of the band that sang that, but let me look it up. I think, actually, they're called Sum 41. Do you remember them?
Yes. Never heard that name in forever.
Dude, their release year for their album for this was in 2001.
Damn.
We're old.
Hella old, dude. I was like, Blake was 1.
Yeah, Blake was 1 when I was
Blake
listening to
was
that
1
song.
years
I
old.
was going to school when Blake was 1.
It'd be like that.
Hell yeah, it does.
That's crazy.
Damn. Hella 1 years old.
Fuck, sorry. Shit.
Like hella getting his ass wiped.
Blowouts all day.
Oh wow.
It's not my fault.
It's not my fault.
It's not my fault. I was a baby.
It was but a wee lad.
I was just a wee lad.
It was but a wee lad.
Out here in Seattle, Washington.
Yeah, what time do you want to go in today, Blake? Like 11, 10?
I'd rather just not.
Yeah, no, me too. Straight trash.
No,
Complete
whatever.
agreement
Probably,
here.
probably like 11.
Yeah.
Blake, are you gonna be working at the barbecue place?
No.
No.
Okay.
He might stop by on occasion, but that's what he said at least.
I might stop by on occasion. You know him. You may see me for lunch every now and then.
Once he, you know, gets a car.
Yeah, I'm retiring that life. No,
The
none of
cooking
that.
life?
Yeah, none of that, no more.
You're gonna reactivate that DoorDash lifestyle?
Shit, no, hell no.
Airlines are just looking pretty good, just steady today. Damn, Ebon, 24% now.
Ooh.
What is going on?
Crypto must be going insane.
Yeah. Crazy. Let's see. Let's check out some crypto.
Crypto chronic.
I don't even know how to fucking look up crypto.
Hey, look at that. MGM down to that 39.07 to the penny.
Yeah, I'm glad I got out before that. Fucking Ebon, 26%.
Oh, you know, GME's making new highs. Let's go.
Fuck GME.
I just have to watch it because it's the only thing exciting right now.
Ebon's pretty exciting.
Yeah, I'm already too late to that party. I was in and out of that party a week ago.
Yeah.
I actually sold all my Ebon yesterday.
How's BNGO?
It was up. I sold everything but like
Oh damn.
10% of it. I told you I went
Okay,
like all
yeah.
cash yesterday. I went in scared mode.
Oh, gotcha.
Like I was down to less than 3% in my trading portfolio was inside the market, and it was on 2 short positions. Ebon's finally about to take a break, it looks like, but we'll see.
Right.
Nice flush down to 873 or that $9 mark.
Hey, but you gotta come and see the barbecue place I go.
Oh, I will. I'm a big fan of some brisket.
Oh yeah, well brisket for show. Obviously. But you don't have brisket? No? You guys are going to fail.
You guys are going to fail.
And a spy pit would have been nice, huh?
Yeah, there's nothing like some good old cornbread with some greens and some brisket. Oh. Remember, my family's from the South. My family's from Oklahoma, so we like good old country cooking and barbecuing and gravy all over everything. One of my favorite meals is like white gravy, like concrete gravy over just some like fried chicken, like homemade fried chicken. Oh yeah.
Mhm.
I make the best fried chicken.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got a nice little secret. I rub them in flour, but I season the flour like most people. But then what I'll do is I'll put them in the egg wash, and then I'll put them into crushed zest crackers, like the regular white zest crackers, saltines or whatever, and use that as a breading for them. And then I double it up like every time. But dude, that's something about that salt and like those crackers just makes like the breadings just so good. Like some people use like panko or whatever. I hate those.
Panko breadcrumb? Yeah.
I hate the taste of those. Or like like pre-seasoned Italian breadcrumbs.
Oh, those are terrible.
Gross.
Literally.
Should I just short GME and go broke?
I think it's worth a shot. What's the worst that could happen?
Depends on my stop loss. What was that?
Sounds like someone farted.
It sounded like somebody just ripped a booty. Booty rip. Booty rip. You'd think 300 on GME would be a good level of people to be like, you know what? We should just get out at 300. Like, this is getting a little too good. people like those solid numbers. You know, it gives like a real level. It's like, you know what? If there's not a level above it, you might as well just pick the one.
Right.
So like the one I wanted to buy is at 1,650. So I was like, should I just like go to buy it at like 1,000? just like I told you that one day, and if we would have, it would have been like worth $8,000 if we would have if I'd have just done that. Just start picking calls that are like $3 or $4,000 and just put in a buy bid at like $500. Remember when I started? If you did, you would have got filled, and they would have been worth a lot when they took that drop last time.
Right. Looks like SPY's having a recovery. Oh, even MGM had a slight recovery. It's starting to go back up. That's what happens when you don't look at something for a while.
It goes back up.
Yeah, Tyson's looking pretty good too. It's up 2.3%.
Tyson's chicken, they're feeding the family.
Yeah. That's the chicken. That's the chicken.
My brother used to sing that song to me whenever I wore shorts. Making fun of my chicken legs.
Right.
I'm just glad that you're smart enough that I can say that and you knew exactly what I meant without having to tell you.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Old chicken legs, brother, making fun of them.
Hey. Hey, I'm 6'10". I've had the chicken legs.
Holy shit, you're 6'10"?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Blake, how tall are you?
Like 5 foot or something?
Yeah, like 5'10".
I was gonna say you're small. I was like, because it seems like you are, and I was like, you two standing next to each other would be hilarious.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We're used to it now though.
Blake's like, "Hello, belly button. I'm here for work." It's like Mike Wazowski and Sully.
Yeah, give or take, give or take.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I'm only 6 foot, so I'm just as small. I'm right at the top. I'm the tallest small guy and the shortest tall guy.
Right. I'm just tall.
It's always been that way. Like in school, like I was always like right in the middle, and then it always laughed because like my name is Jesse Kaler, so they always did classes in ABC order or Z to A, and then I was always in the dead center of every class because of my initials. So it caused for a lot of problems. I get to be around everybody and get everybody in trouble. Yep, I should have shorted them motherfuckers because they just dropped $10. I would have made $800 on that move.
Oh damn. What's DraftKings doing? A whole lot of nothing. Oh damn. Alright, well, this looks like the market today.
This looks like the market.
Okay. What do I want to buy shares of today that are red? For real though.
Finding what's down.
I mean, buy more SRAC. Just for fun. Maybe some SOS. They're down. Sorry, GEVO might be good too. Yeah, GEVO has their earnings next week. So that'll be fun. Might just buy shares.
Word.
Yeah, they're supposed to. Word on the street is they're gonna beat out expectations, and they move their earnings up. Yeah, I'm gonna buy GVO shares. Let's fucking do it. No, I don't want to actually. Oh damn, MGM just came back up. It says DraftKings, Barstool, and MGM prep for big March Madness run.
I did take a position on GME, and it's up.
You did?
Yeah, it's up 20 bucks on a short, but I don't know. I think I got in a little too early, so I'm about to just probably take my profit and just kind of wait it out a little longer again.
GME.
I was hoping for it to drop down to 281, but it's just going so slow that it makes me think that
It really
wants to
is.
go higher.
Did you get in close to that, like 290?
I got in like right when that end of that first red candle got in, like when it opened up red again.
Oh, okay.
My AMC's up 7%. Those shares I bought yesterday.
Nice.
And then my AMC put I sold will definitely be in the money unless they go to $5 somehow today.
On fun NFT news, people just sold a 5,000 everyday art collection. So like 5,000 days worth of art, essentially. It's like a collage. It sold for $69 million.
Holy
What?
fuck.
Yep.
It's crazy.
I'll do it.
That's that guy that me and Elias were talking about yesterday, Draco.
Oh, gotcha.
Like the digital art. He stepped into the NFT game, became a millionaire overnight.
Yeah, did we figure out to where we can actually sell them now and post them yet?
Yes, and Frank's talked about it earlier.
Okay, hell yeah.
It was basically just like which method we were deciding on.
Okay.
Fuck, man, $69 million.
That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy? Just absurd. Insanity. What'd I say? GM's gonna give us 3% today? Guess what? 3%.
Also, just letting you know, Kayla, on a completely boring note, I've upgraded our Google Drive storage.
Oh, okay, cool. No worries. Ebon over $10. Holy smokes.
Isn't that crazy?
Mm,
She just keeps growing. 30%, 31%, crazy. You're like kicking yourself, aren't you?
oh my god, yeah.
Yeah, I feel it.
How do you think the next week's gonna turn out, Taylor?
For the market?
Yeah, it's hard to tell.
Yeah, I mean, let's go and look at the SPY on December. So last time we had one of these quad witching things, we go back to so
Valerie?
last time we had one of these, we flew up, consolidated, and then dropped to our big low. So I mean, possibly a retracement on Monday. I don't know. I can't call it. We're due for a pullback to my freaking OBS didn't slow my chart down so bad. Somewhere between 372 and 390, we should be getting some type of pullback, maybe 375 or lower, is my opinion, but
Too easy. I mean, it's pretty hard to call. You never know with this market.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, put it this way: I bought a March 19th put today at the top of the green candle on the SPY at 392 ish. Market should be doing something big here in the next move. It's my stuff starting. I can see the ticks changing, so it looks like things are going to start. A big move is going to happen one way or the other.
Mm-hmm.
It's my Kaler weird ticker movement indicator.
You got a little tingle.
I just see these lags in the market, like where like I can see the prices, like I can't get the price to load perfectly, like right away.
Sure.
And I feel like it's almost just like there's just so much going on that
Everything's moving. Yeah.
I can't keep up with it.
Yep.
GME,
I took a little drop.
just tell GME to go down to 260.
All right, Jamie, go down to 260.
Thank you.
Yep, no worries. It's like 260. I'll raise you 360.
I've diamond handed this thing through two major candles. One I was up 100, one I was down 250, and now I'm at $30, $17 negative.
Mm. That's right, that's right.
just if you really want to play it, you just buy a call and a put at the same number, and then just sell one when it's green, and then wait a couple hours. The other one will be green. There we go. Sell it. Sell it down. Come on. Sell it down. Sell it down. Yes.
Oh, here it comes. Yep.
Yes.
Ah.
I don't care. That right there was what I wanted to happen. I needed it to break that plane, so now we can get it to come down to 270, 280, 250 possibly, and then go further.
Fucking GameStop at 285. What the fuck? It's just dumb.
The spread is retarded on these freaking options for them.
Oh yeah, for sure.
My GM's up 1.69% since I bought yesterday at 56.96.
Oh, nice.
BNGOs, I was average at 9. It's only at 9.15, so I really didn't lose much on that. I made money on that one still. I didn't lose any more profit on that.
Good.
I'm so glad I sold my SOXL. I was averaged in at like 36, remember? And I told you guys I was like really low. Well, I sold it at like 34. It's back down to 31.99, so. Yeah, watch this. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. Kyle, wait till you see this. What they showed me today, in fake profits.
Oh yeah, let's see it.
Look at this shit.
Holy fuck, you?
Yeah.
Just how?
That was just a glitch.
Oh, okay. I was tripping.
Yeah.
I was like, it's like down
has-
0.1.
It hasn't moved. What the hell? Yeah, I was like laughing because I'm sitting here like woke up like, all right, well, if somebody was like the other way around, this is how kids go and kill themselves. And I hate to say that, but I'm like, that's
Low key though.
literally
Yeah,
like
like that one kid.
what they do to kids is like, what if he was down 2,700%? You're like, whoa, I got
For real.
$2.7 million a day. What the hell?
How does that work? Yeah. $2,900%. Everyone's gonna check it out. Be like, how is that possible?
Yeah, I know. They're gonna be like, no, it's not real. But if they were in the live, they
If
would know.
that was the case, I'd YOLO the fuck out of that. Down 0.1, up 2,900%. Let's go for $1 down.
Right, exactly.
Literally a break even today.
And then look,
Plus,
and then here, this is the real number after it corrected itself. Womp womp.
negative 55%.
That's the real deal.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I found this funny picture when we were on our honeymoon with my wife. She was like we had like went from like gorgeous at our wedding kind of thing, like all of us all done up and shit, and then we took the plane, we went to Colorado, we're up in the mountains, and then like the next morning I took a picture of her, and she straight looked like someone I picked up like a hitchhiking hippie. Like she was like her hair's all crazy messed up. She's like outside drinking a coffee, and I was like, "Can you just let me take a picture of you here?" And then I end up getting a photo album built, and I put that as like the cover.
Oh, funny.
Oh, GME's up $35 now. Let's go.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it dropped below 9 for a second.
Ebon's at 1024. Oh my god.
What's it
in
like?
the insanity is this?
35% now, or
Yeah.
32, 31. Yeah, crazy. Weird day.
Faux show.
Be nice if SRAC could go up. Oh, they started to. Nice. Let's see if they can hold it though.
Here we go. Be right back.
You make money today, Kyle?
No, I lost like 1,000, but that was just because of my stocks dropped.
Right.
But yeah, I made only probably like, I don't know, $20.
Let's go.
But if I would have held my GM, I would have made like 1,000. Fuck.
Too easy.
Should have known it. Should have known it. Yeah, because they're up. Yeah. Sucks.
I mean, realistically, that's the hard part. Like, you need to know when to take profits, but also trust your instinct. Like, when it's
Yeah,
good.
well, I should have taken profits and just held it. The reason why I sold is because it was for a position that expired today.
Oh,
Because
right.
that's but that gives you the best, obviously profit margins. But yeah, I sold it like when it was at 0.5%, and that was $100.
Oh yeah. Look at that nice little drop.
Oh, for whatchamacallit?
Up 20%. It's cool. $200 so far.
Fucking E-bond up 40% today now.
Holy smokes.
It's just not stopping, dude. It's at 1075. Fuck.
Look at GME, baby.
Let me see here. Oh fuck. What are you? How much you up?
50%.
Hell yeah. E-bond, dude.
Man, they bought that
Find
rip
one
right
more.
back up, though, didn't they?
Dude, Jim?
Yeah.
You?
It went right down and then right back up.
Mm-hmm. It's still trying to come down.
Yeah, I'm
Well,
waiting.
Psych. Oh damn, SOS is shooting up right now. I might look at them to do a trade. Oh damn it. Cool. Okay.
I got out of that GME. Made $100. I should have made about 400 on that downside, but
Hey, $100.
it is what it is.
Fuck you. Okay, up 13% on the SOS $6 call I just did today. They just launched up. Up. What? I don't make no damn
Who is that
sense.
on?
SOS, they're kind of going through a thing right now.
Jeezel.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Oh, come on. Yeah, so let's do one of your like 20% gains real quick.
Right?
For real. Up 23% now. Yeah, I need to watch it close because this thing will drop as quick as it goes up. Up 30%. This is what I needed. I just needed a good trade today. %36. $40. Might get out. You good?
Alright, come on.
You hear that?
What'd you say?
What do you got? I said you good?
Oh, yeah, I'm good. I got the hivs acting up.
Hmm. The HIV. Got it bad.
I caught it bad.
I'm not just sure. I'm HIV positive, that's bad.
Oh
Alright,
my
I'm
God.
up 43.33% on my SOS call.
Jeezel. That was
Yeah, it's
fast.
a quick one. I might get out pretty quick.
Quick profit. Might erase it later. Might delete later, like those pictures. Like
Yeah,
I feel-
literally
I feel cute.
literally
Might delete
forfeited
later.
right now. I felt emo today. I delete. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna sell just because it took a shit.
Doubled my account. Might delete later.
So yeah, it went from plus 8% to plus 4% in roughly 0.5 seconds, so I got out. But made profit of like 20%. So That's good enough for me. I'll take it. What a crazy stock that just was. What the fuck just happened? Shit like that never makes sense to me where it's like, alright, I'm negative, negative, negative. Let's go up 12%
Right.
instantly. For no obvious reason. Yeah, I love, I wish I would have went in on that today.
This is where people are going to be starting to sell like 750 calls for, or sorry, 750 puts for EBON.
Yeah,
Because you'd buy it at
I can
750.
see that. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Yeah, because there'll definitely be a correction for it, I'm sure. Eventually. Maybe. I don't know. Things crazy today.
I think my stock's going crazy.
For real, though. My dad's going crazy. Even GEVO can't decide what to do today.
I bought my kids operation, and they're like 3 and 1.5. So like every time it like shocks, like does like the
Buzzes.
vibrating thing. My little 1-year-old's like, ooh, ow, wow.
Like, what the?
Yeah, like what is that?
Oh man, is Bitcoin blowing up or something? What's going on? The fuck is Bitcoin? There it is. Yeah, it's rising. So right, it's going up. Damn it.
Yeah, it's like the snail pace right now.
It really is.
Plus 2,900%. What the hell?
Yeah, there was an error on
There was a flow.
Yo Weevil. Okay. Alright, I'm up 8% on the right call I just put in. Okay, I need to actually pull up right.
Again, I'm here for not relevant, but Tom Brady and the Buccaneers agreed a 1-year extension.
1 year extension, yep.
Fucking terrible. God,
Why?
he needs to retire.
Really? Because he seems like he's doing fucking amazing.
The
Well,
Tom Brady,
I'm tired of
the
seeing
Brady.
it.
Did you see the shirt that said the Tampa Brady Gronkaneers? I loved it. I was like, that is a dope ass shirt for a fan. That is awesome.
Yeah, it is. I mean, the Buccaneers needed some good news. Almost as bad as like the Browns.
The Browns actually are starting to look like a better team.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, they're kind of finally starting to come together. They had such a young team.
Ooh.
Alright,
someone
sold
bought
for.
it. Someone sold or bought.
Yeah, I sold my riot call for 20%.
Let's go.
It's just a super quick in and out.
That one's pretty easy to read on because that just fluctuates off of Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, Bitcoin started going up, and then so I bought in real quick. Basically, if like Bitcoin goes up like 1%, riot goes up like 2.
Oh, easy. So, oh, Kid Franks is here. Kid Franks, you should be watching Riot too. If you're watching like the crypto charts like that.
Thoughts and prayers.
Thoughts and prayers. Torchlight is up 14% today again.
It's like, if I was in it last month, you should buy it.
What, Torchlight?
They're like, any stock I was in last month is up.
Alright, SVAC evened out again, so that's good. I can feel it.
Getting some
SVAC
feedback from somebody's mic.
gotta go on. Yeah, it's me for sure. I don't know why.
Edible Crayons, the next Reddit investment crowdfund.
What?
What the?
You say edible crayons?
Edible crayons, yes.
Oh god. I thought they were already edible. Hero was thinking they were edible already. Alright, well. I think I reached my trade day limits. I'll be
Yeah.
back Monday.
I'm about to be
Alright,
done too.
GameStop.
I got like 10
Do not
minutes.
forget the following events are coming soon. Next potential catalyst, bonds expiring on the 15th, hearing on the 17th. Quadruple witching on the 19th. Earning reports the following week.
So they're saying that's good.
They're just saying potential catalysts. You just looking for any last minute entries, Cody?
Yeah, are we the only ones left in here? Or who's in here with us?
It's Frank.
Punts and good ranks. Just a team.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, I mean, we can just bullshit anyway. I mean, I'm just gonna be locking in and trying to complete all my training stuff by Friday, and then I have to adjust the live. I want the live. I got like 3 or 4 things I want to fix on the live with just trying to make it a little better with more content and more training stuff during the live.
Yeah, absolutely. Are you still live currently?
Yeah, I actually probably need to end that, don't I?
Yes,
Chris
sir.
Thompson's in there and said, y'all checking the space tip. Let's take a look at it. SPCE is 33, went all the way to 2748. Are you still in space, Blake?
Yeah, hello, long term. I haven't. I swing traded it a little yesterday or the day before. Made a couple hundred. Nothing huge.
Looks like they could go down to in the mid, 31, 32 in that area before it tries to come back and take out that high, but it is trying to come back and take out that 34, 35, going back up to 37, 38 area, so.
Yeah, I'm set on about 250 shares with it.
Nice.
If it keeps dropping, I'll just keep buying in more.
But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close the live. That was an hour and 42 minutes, so. Looks like we're going to see GameStop continue to go up and try to take out that high. SPCE we got on the list now. We got Tesla watching them coming back. QQQs are holding at 313 at a range between 320 and 309. So you're right in the middle of them. It's all the ranges right now. So just be careful. Watch this market. If it starts to turn over, you might see some pullback. But we'll see you guys in the morning, and hopefully you watched some of this stuff, and